Welcome to North Hill Mazda. My name is Oleksii and today I want to show you this 2019 Mazda CX3 GT. One of the top selling vehicles in its segment, comes equipped with a fuel-efficient 2-liter engine producing 148 horsepower paired to 6-speed auto. Being a GT, it comes loaded with features like Bose sound system, full leather interior, navigation, adaptive cruise control, heads-up display, and much more. This car will be your best friend in the city because how easy it is to drive and to park, but at the same time it's a riot in the deep snow if you take it into the mountains.